Hi everyone, welcome back to Liferay tutorial series. In last episode, we have explained more about the object, field and all. Pick list, how to select the pick list and then you how to use that pick list and all. And today episode, we are going to explore something very common in the website, a slider or carousel. Liferay already provides a default slider component, so let's see how we can use it. Adding a slider to our website. So for that one, go to your Liferay and click on this edit icon. So now the edit mode is opened and under this fragment or widget search the slide. So you can see under the basic component you can see slider. Just drag and drop the slider to your web page. So once you drag and drop, you can see the default configuration and the title, subtitle, those things and all. And in the right section under the general tab you can see slider options. In this we can change the configuration, like how many number of slider we require or not. So if I want to set only one, that is also possible. If I want to set only the 10, that is also possible, like anyway. So it will automatically increment. So currently I'm just doing with that too. And the auto hide play button, that whether that play button auto hide or not, so that we can control. And the maximum width of fragment width and all that we can set. And in the style table we can give the background image, those things and all about this one, and the custom CSS class and the style. If we want to apply anything CSS, we can use the CSS class. Now let's use the slide one. So in this you can see this one, we have under the slider we have image title. So we have configured two images. So one image, first image title, and the first image and first slide image, first slide title, then subtitle, and then the second slide image, second slide title, and second slide subtitle. So let's edit this. These are all inline editable. So slide one, this I am giving as a slide one, and then slide one, so slide one, okay. Now we can give the image. changes in slide 1 as the image, and then the next slide 2 slide 2. So resolution and all we can check whether it is an auto or custom, like based on our adaptive media configuration, which we have already explained. We can change it, and lazy loading is enabled or not, those things, and all we can change. Okay, now let's publish it. So you can see the slider, and it is automatically changed, and we can have the pause button is there, then by using the click only it will work. So that is the slider. Now let's check the API response for the same. So for the headless, in the headless API, this whatever the slider details which we have given, the same will be passed, like it will be, we will be getting that response in the headless API. For fetching the API details, we need the site ID. So site/slate page friendly URL. So here you can give the site ID, friendly URL path of form, and execute. So here you will be able to see the response. So basic component is slider, number of slider, slider set 2, and the value. So you can see the value, the image is coming, the value is coming as a JSON. So this we have to parse it, it contains the URL also. The slider response is like passing in this way. So the front end how to deserialize this response in order to get the API like actual response. So in this video we have explored the default slider component of the Liferay. It is very simple to use, just drag and drop and configure. In upcoming episode we will look customizing the slider or even building one from the scratch for more flexibility. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more details.